How goes it today, everyone? Today's plan, I'm gonna try to, as you can see, I already got one tire off, but I'm gonna get these drums off and see how the pads look, and plus I gotta measure the pads, and then this, I'm gonna try to rethread this. If not, I'm just gonna have to replace it. I'm gonna get the rear drums off, measure the pads, because I don't have an emergency brake cable at all. I mean, there's nothing. So the plan is to get the rear off. And actually, the passenger side front tire, that stud is broken. I thought it was one of the rears, but I was mistaken. But yeah, that's the game plan for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other tire off and continue from there. Okay. Holy fuck. That's on there good. Wow. Let's see if I want to put that one's stuck on there real good. There we go. Yahtzee. Fucking Christ. Oh, not too bad. A little bit of mud in here. Not terrible. So I'm just gonna replace these. I'm not even gonna fucking bother with them. I don't know if you can hear me before, but that's missing a big old chunk of metal right there, so I'm just replacing that. I mean, the pads don't seem bad. This one's fucked. So I'm just gonna replace everything, not mess with it. And now I'm gonna try to rethread this. If not, I'm just gonna bang it out and put a new one in, I guess. So I'm gonna get my little rethread kit and try that. Works for me, man. Only missing a couple threads, so not bad. That's cool. I think I'm just gonna put the front on jack stands too and see what the front brakes look like. That works for me. I broke those before I put it in here. Alright, that's gonna do it for today. Got the rear drums off. Got this caliper off. I'm gonna wait to take the hubs apart until I have all the parts I need, because I need a new rotor. I mean, this side's even worse because they had different bolts holding these in, and guess what? They snapped. So now I gotta try to figure out a way to get those out, but I don't have time to do that. But yeah, I'm not gonna take any more apart till I have all the new stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna replace the pads, all the springs, everything. I'm not gonna mess with it. And plus I gotta get the emergency brake too. So but yeah, got all that off, and yeah, so thanks for watching.